Acre. In the Middle Ages, an acre of land could be ploughed in one day by one ploughman and one ox. The medieval acre was 22 yards wide and 220 yards, or 1 furlong, long. Furlong means a long furrow, a furrow being the cut made by the plough in the soil. A furlong was the maximum furrow that could be ploughed before the ox needed to rest. Medieval fields were thus long and narrow, and the furlong was also known as an acre's length. The rule of thumb was that an acre of land could support one person. A medieval peasant's heart would ache for an acre of land. Today, an acre can be any shape with an area of 4,840 square yards.